Messaging apps made their way into the smartphone with the likes of WhatsApp, Telegram, and Signal leading the charts. Many of these apps are a necessity, and although they all revolve around a similar key idea to make communication and sharing easy. But what about privacy? In today's era, maintaining privacy is a huge challenge. Every now and then we heard stories regarding data leaks and privacy violations that arises big questions over the most popular apps as to whether they are taking all the precautionary measures to protect you from data theft or not. Now you might think that, well, if the big names aren't providing us the most benefits, then what are the alternatives? And that's where Rollo Secure Chat comes in. It's a secure messaging application for Android and iOS with a focus on security and privacy. The app developers went to extraordinary measures to incorporate various features that ensure that it's nearly impossible for any hacker to break into your smartphone. And if you own a small business, then this app could be a game changer for you. More on that in the later part of the video. So let's have a detailed look on Rollo Secure Chat to see how it is better than the competition and what are the features it has to offer. So let's start with the user interface. The application has an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The app will let you create an account by using your email or social account, and you don't need your phone number, which is a great option. Thus, it only takes a few minutes to create an account, and the simplicity of the operation makes the app an excellent choice for novice users. A notable feature of this app is that it lets you send a request to any contact you want to connect with, and once they approve it, only then you can chat or call them. It restricts unknown or annoying people from getting into your inbox, which I think is a quite different take as compared to other messaging app, but it is a necessary one. The application also features a vault page where you can browse through the files you have sent and received in your chats. Your important documents are stored in this secure storage, so you don't have to wander through the chats looking for them. Now let's talk about some of the main and differentiating features of Rollo Secure Chat. Rollo comes with a multi-layered security and impeccable features that satisfy your daily communication requirements. It is an app you can use for private calling and chatting, as it secures your data with BlackBerry's end-to-end encryption technology, which is why it has the potential to attract small businesses that just want top-notch security from a messaging app. BlackBerry's E2EE technology is famous for securing chats across all operating systems. Furthermore, if you share important documents and files through the application, it encrypts files by putting a key on it that only you can access or the ones you share it with, which guarantees high-grade protection. Even if you lose your phone, the app's safety features will ensure that the person doesn't get access to private documents and files. Another useful feature that Rollo offers is in chat message translation, meaning you can translate messages with a simple push of a button, which supports for 50 plus global languages. Now, this feature can also be quite handy for businesses that have a global customer base. Now, as I previously mentioned, that Rollo is primarily focused on privacy, and with its secret chats feature, you can take your privacy to the next level by making chats secret. Those conversations will no longer appear in your main chat list. To enter your secret chat list on Android, you just have to press and hold the navigation bar for a couple of seconds. While on iOS, you pull down the chat list for a couple of seconds. Once inside the secret chats list, here you also get the option to make your chats in the main list again. The next feature is the unread tray, which is a very versatile feature that will make sure that you are not missing out on important messages. It enables you to keep an eye on your unread chats without leaving your current conversations. When you have unread chat, a red horizontal line will appear inside your chats just above your keyboard, which you can tap or swipe on to reveal the unread tray. Audio and video calling has become standard on every messaging app, and with Rollo you can also voice or video call anyone through the application after adding them to your contact list. The app will let you create a group call and add up to 35 participants for now, and the company is planning to extend the number to 500 by second quarter of 2022. It's beneficial for both personal and commercial usage, as you can contact your team or any individual through the application by using the calling features it offers. Some other useful features include an undo button, allowing you to easily remove any mistakes or wrong text before others read it. Rollo Secure Chat also offers amazing cross-platform compatibility, and you can use it on Windows, Mac and Linux via the Chrome web browser or on Android and iOS as native apps. Rollo will let you use the same account up to 3 different phones without compromising the privacy and security of your data, which is unheard of among end-to-end encrypted mobile chat apps. One of the Rollo's most unique features is its file permission controls. You can send a file as view only, restricting others in the app from downloading it, and you can later revoke access to that file, making it very useful for sharing confidential business documents or private images. Features like this makes Rollo better and different in every aspect, from the likes of WhatsApp, Signal or Telegram. And this is an app that is suitable for both your personal as well as private usage, making it one of a kind. And I know it's hard to believe. That's why I would highly recommend you to try it out for at least 24 hours, and I'm sure you will love it. Now, Rollo Secure Chat is completely free to use without any hidden fee or annoying ads, and you don't have to pay a single dime. But if you are a privacy-centric person or a small business owner who want to use it for their professional work, then you should definitely try the BlackBerry Protection add-on that will add an extra layer of security. BlackBerry Protect is a real game changer. It is the next generation of device protection powered by artificial intelligence, preventing viruses, ransomware, potential exploits and malware for accessing or running on your phone and computer. The bundle will cost you around $3.99 per month. You can also get a 5-pack bundle which reduces the rate to just $2.99 per month. The app is worth the value if you consider both apps, features and functionality, and is perfect for people who prioritize their security. Although Rollo is a comparatively new app and will take some time to get the brand recognition they deserve, the developers are preparing a masterpiece that provides functionality, excellent sharing features, on top of matchless security and privacy. The app should be the ideal choice for personal and business users that want to protect their data at all costs.